So, for all the people who tried before the foaming cleanser, Dr. Belmore, for acne prone skin, please tell me if effective ba siya? Is it effective? Comment down below so that I know if this is so effective for my skin, acne prone skin, and oily skin. Or should I shift to my cleanser before? Skin. And the other one is the Collagen Pomegranate and Collagen Volume Lifting Toner, or the Lotion Tonic. Improves firmness and plumps and improves firmness. Volume Lifting Toner. Here's the cotton. So the next one is the vitamin C. Vitamin C, Angel Aqua, 100% vegan, 7% vitamin C for brightening. So one, two, three. Okay. So you have to spray like this. So pwede na tayo matulog kasi maganda na tayo. Charis. So all of these products are made in Korea, and I bought in the free shop in Dira City Center, Dira. And so I need to buy more skincare, which is retinol. I will check on the market. So usapang skincare again. So here's my skincare trip. I bought in Life Pharmacy some skincare na naka-offer. And I know you are familiar with this. This is the... And I bought Hyaluronica or Sika, made with pure centella from Madagascar. So this one, moisturizer cream. So I don't have moisturizer, so I bought this one. Naka-offer siya from 34 na lang siya. So from 134. Ta-da! Made in Korea. Still we're using the skincare made in Korea. So this is hyaluronic for moisturizer. Some by me retinol. So as you all know, I don't have retinol. So I only have the sunscreen, Some by me, and then the toner, the Miracle toner. So I bought this one, the retinol, so I can apply it in nighttime bago matulog, before we go to bed. Wow, oh my god. 12.50. So 12.50 na lang siya. This one is for eye naman siya. Eye. So moisturizer for the eye. Ultra sensitive skin anti-aging cream for eye. Anti-fatigue eye. Demo cream. And the last one I bought is for my body lotion, which is the So Skin. Ito siya, napunit mo lang siya. So Skin. White, whitening body lotion in sensitive area. So Skin. I bought before Soy Skin also. It's good naman. So here it is. So guys, I have the Centella moisturizing cream, the whitening body lotion, the retinol, and the eye cream. So let's try kung effective ba ito. And for those viewers and subscribers na na-try na this one before, this skincare products, please comment down below kung effective nga ba. Gusto ko rin malaman. And for those people who love skincare also, here in UAE, you can buy the offered items in Life Pharmacy. Not sure if all nga is meron. And this one I bought in Banyas branch. That's it. Thank you so much. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe para updated ka on my skincare routine and skincare products na try natin available in UAE, in Dubai, and the effectiveness of the skincare that we are buying. So if you already try those skincare items also in the face shop store, please comment down below. And that's it. Thank you for joining my trip today.